Okay, today I want to discuss a bit about the Bitcoin dump. I think people are getting worried. You can actually see it from the internet and stuff like that. So I always like to bring up the things that is currently the hottest thing in the market people talking about. So what's all about this Bitcoin dump, right? Bitcoin recently dipped below 60,000, but has since managed to recover slightly, currently hovering just above the 61K mark. The primary factor behind this drop is the widespread FUD. In this lingo, the cryptocurrency lingo here, FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And this is due to the impending distribution of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash by Mt. Gox, right? The Mt. Gox Rehabilitation Trustee has been preparing to make repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash as part of its rehabilitation plan. In a recently released letter, it was announced that these repayments, which have been pending for nearly a decade, are set to begin next month. So approximately 9 billion worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash will be distributed. Initially, there was an option to settle the claims in cash, right? But the upcoming distribution will be in cryptocurrency. This shift has sparked fears of a market impact, as the repayment in cash was initially perceived as a potential cause for market instability. And here is a screen grab of the letter that I took from Mt. Gox website. Basically, in this letter over here, is a notice regarding commencements of repayments in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, right? So we'll commence the repayments in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. You see, it's not, they're not going to use cash to pay anymore. Okay, so this is the proof of it, and you can get it from this website right over here, this link right over here, right? So despite concerns, many experts believe that the market has already priced in the potential sell pressure from Mt. Gox repayments. And this is not the first time we have had Mt. Gox issue all these statements, and it kind of impacted the market. Galaxy Digital Head of Research, Alex Thorn, noted that many creditors are long-term Bitcoin holders, which are likely to retain their assets. Okay. Thorn highlighted that many creditors resisted attractive cash offers over the years, preferring to get their Bitcoin back. Additionally, the impact of capital gains tax on sellers play a role. While original creditors receive only a 15% in-kind recovery, right? Many claim holders have seen the Bitcoin value increase by 140 times since the bankruptcy proceedings, making them less inclined to sell immediately, right? And here is the picture, the graph of the flows, just to let you see, after nearly 2 weeks of continuous outflows, the spot Bitcoin ETF market has shown positive inflows right now. You can see from here, these are all negative. You see below this zero line, negative, negative, negative here. There was one positive day, but right now it's back to positive. Notably, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF recorded the only positive inflow in June. That means if you are into iBit, it's still very, very strong, still positive inflow. You can see iBit is blue in color, and it's always been above the zero line right over here. Now, what's crucial about this thing is that historically, fears related to Mt. Gox have led to significant Bitcoin dumps that we're seeing right now, as seen in March 2023 and January 2024. Now, interestingly, these events marked the bottom for Bitcoin, which subsequently traded higher. Okay, so every time you have a Mt. Gox Bitcoin dump happening in the news, creating this dump, that's usually the bottom of the market, and you always go on to make a newer high. So could this happen again, right? From a technical perspective, this is a possibility that history could repeat itself, suggesting potential bullish momentum in the near future. Okay, that's how we are going to see the market going forward for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's the end of the report for today.